Hey there, YouTube modeling community. This is going to be a short video. Just a huge thank you to everybody. This past weekend, I made it to 100 subscribers, and that means an awful lot to me. You guys support me along the way. I joined YouTube to just be a part of the community, to show off my stuff, to get tricks of the trade off you guys, because, I love modeling as much as you guys do. And I've always felt like everybody has so much to offer everybody, and I really don't think that I have a lot to offer to you guys, but you guys have a lot to offer to me. Getting to 100 subscribers, I started just before Christmas, or about middle December. To get to 100 subscribers, that means a lot to me. I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate all that. Really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Really appreciate you guys commenting to me. I enjoy talking with you guys. I try to write everybody. Really appreciate you guys hitting the little thumbs up button. Appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs down button. Once you do, it means you're watching the videos. And like I said, the fact that you guys are watching it, the fact that I'm able to communicate with you guys, and we communicate, really thank you guys for letting me be a part of your community, and for the 100 subscribers I have, and it means a lot to me. And I'm rambling right now. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, and and I hope to share a lot more with you guys, and I hope to watch a lot more of your guys' videos as well. So once again, thank you, 100 subscribers. Appreciate it. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on another video.